We do apologize. This video was meant to be a short, therefore it was recorded vertically, so please bear with us as it will have some edges on the sides of your screen. Thanks for watching.
We're here for a service call. Caleb went in to turn it on. A little dirty. Not the worst ever, but we'll definitely probably clean it. Rinse it off. Caleb just gave it a call and I heard it click, but we got nothing out here. So we're probably looking at bad capacitor or bad contactor. So we'll tear it apart and check it out.
See if we have
all right,
24
took
volts.
I believe the contactor's pressed in, right?
Oh yeah, it is.
So we got 24, so let's check it. Yep, high voltage across the contactor. Top to bottom.
Nothing.
0. Do you have power from the bottom to ground?
What about this side? Nothing.
Bottom screw to ground. Nothing.
Nothing.
So
Nothing. We might have blown the breaker.
blown breaker, yeah, probably. Or something in there jacked up. Let's see.
Okay.
Pull this cover off.
Yeah.
Or both of them. Let's see, do we have power coming in? That looks a little rusty.
Nothing.
0 volts coming in. Busted breaker, probably. Alright, let's check out the box. Breaker box. So, Caleb was inside. We found a blown breaker. Turned it on, it tripped right away. Pulled the disconnect out. And then the breaker did not trip at all. So that means that our issue is somewhere between here and here. So let's fix it. What are you doing with that?
Are we ohming it?
Oh, I meant ohm the wires. We can ohm the contactor if you want. We can do both. I was gonna pull these out and ohm them and see if they're touching.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna pull the 2 line voltage wires out and see if they're making contact somewhere they shouldn't. Nope. So it doesn't seem like it's in our wires. Alright. So you want to own the contactor itself?
Yeah, might as well.
Sorry. Now we'll own the contactor to see if it's toast. You ohm on the 24 volts sides. And it should be in the teens.
18.
We're at 18, so the contactor's tested good. Yeah, push it in. That shouldn't be connected, should it? Without a call? Push it
I
in.
believe
It's open line.
Open.
Yeah. Alright, let's check out the wires then. The other wires. So through some testing, we found that this yellow and this black wire that go here, that go to the compressor, are the thing tripping it. So the compressor is
At this point,
probably
my
bad,
wonderful
or the
phone
wires in
decided
between it are
that
bad.
it was going to run out of
we're gonna-
storage space, so we could not record anything else. But luckily, you didn't miss much. All we did was take the fan off the top, go down to the compressor, the 3 prongs here, which I'll highlight, and I believe the run terminal on it had continuity to ground. So at that point, we knew for sure that the compressor was grounded and that it was a bad compressor. Thanks for watching.